Wait, can you actually get dimples naturally? I tried this for 20 minutes and here's what happened. Dimples are usually genetic. You are born with them, but there is a simple technique people use to create a temporary dimple effect using massage. This method focuses on muscle memory and pressure on specific cheek points. You do not need any tools. No products, no equipment, just clean fingers, a mirror, and some time. Now let us start step by step. First, find your natural dimple point. Look into a mirror. Smile gently. Notice where your cheek naturally folds inward. That small area is your target point. Take your time here. Finding the correct spot is very important. Once you find it, you are ready for the next step. Now place your fingers on that exact spot. Press inward gently. Do not press too hard, but make sure you feel the pressure. Hold the pressure for about 10 seconds, then slowly release. Repeat this process again and again. Try to do this at least 10 to 15 times. You may feel slight discomfort. That is normal, but do not push too hard. Now we move to the next step. Keep your fingers on the same point. Start making small, circular movements. Move slowly and keep the pressure consistent. This step is very important. It helps stimulate the muscles and increases blood flow. Continue this circular motion for about 5 to 10 minutes. Stay relaxed and keep your movement smooth. Do not rush. Now we move to the next part. Press the same point again. This time try smiling gently while pressing. Hold the smile and the pressure together. This helps train your facial muscles to form a slight indentation. Repeat this several times. Take your time with this step. Now continue the cycle. Press, hold, massage, smile. Repeat this pattern for about 20 minutes in total. Consistency is the key here. You will not get permanent dimples, but you may notice a temporary effect. Now let us talk about the results. After finishing the massage, look at your cheeks in the mirror. You may notice a slight dent or shadow where you were pressing. This can look like a soft dimple. The effect is usually temporary, but with regular practice, it may become more noticeable. This technique works differently for everyone. Some people may see results quickly, others may need more time. The key is patience and consistency. Now a quick tip, always start with clean hands to avoid skin irritation. Do not press too hard because that can damage your skin. Keep your movements gentle and controlled. Also, do not expect permanent results. This is more of a natural enhancement technique. If you repeat this daily, you may improve the effect over time. Now let me ask you something. Did you notice any difference? Look carefully at your cheeks. If you are not sure, watch this again and follow each step slowly. You might see something you missed. Try it again and focus on the exact pressure points. Small details make a big difference. Keep practicing and observe your face over time. Consistency always brings better results. Thank you for watching. Try it yourself and see what happens. Now watch again and follow every step carefully.